Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Spotify app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open Spotify again. Step 2. Restart the Spotify app. Now close the app completely from recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This can fix a small glitch and loading issues. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now turn your phone off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then try opening Spotify again. Step 4. Update the Spotify app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Now search for Spotify and tap Update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall Spotify. If the problem continues, uninstall Spotify, restart your phone and install it again from the App Store, then log back into your account. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the Spotify app. And also follow the simple steps and your Spotify app should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.